Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of where una dey watch us from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another ogbonge matter come again. Na who we wan talk about today, my amazing people? Hey, e don set again for Sarah T BOZ and her sister. After Sarah T BOZ gave birth, my people, this life, I no know wetin this life dey turn into. After Sarah T BOZ just gave birth yesterday or day before yesterday, na her senior sister Vera TV show or Vera TV program come out dey disgwangwan her sister. My people, make una look this matter. This matter really dey okay, but for me I think say Vera suppose forgive her sister. We know say wetin Sarah T BOZ really do for social media. She put mouth for where she no suppose put mouth. She too insult children, but e no good. But as a sister, you go forgive your sister. Na outside pipo suppose to dey beat Sarah like that. You go say make dem forgive her, no be you wey be inside house. Why, if you know say you no forgive her, why you post her video? Why you wish her congratulations? Vera, abeg, find a place in your heart. I know say Sarah, she too offend so many people for this social media. If all of them come out as you take come out so for her, she go dey pray, and you no go like her if something happen to your sister, my dear. You no go like her if something happen to her. This moment when she just newborn, she need happiness. The man wey she born for run leave her. She need happiness. Now una dey around her, now they give her that happiness, not the other way around. My people, I go leave una make una lis ten to wetin Vera talk about her sister. I know say wetin Sarah do Vera TV, or e no good. She offend so many people, but as a sister, na im make you be sister. Abeg, forgive her, my dear sister. Forgive your sister, because we know say she don offend so many people. Your own self, you be inside house. If she offend you, you use her joint cream take rub, my sister. You use her joint cream. If everybody come out as Sarah T BOZ dey carry people pikin, dey say dem don kpai, she dey write so many things. If all of them come out for your sister like that, my sister, you no go like am o. So you have to forgive her. Forgive your sister. My people, make I leave una, make una watch this very video. Please no forget to like and share our video, and also subscribe to support your girl. God bless you all.
So today when I post the video, do your own back. Yes. So today when I post the video, she later called me after 2 hours. Say, why me? Today I call her. I call her today. I'm not the lie. I call her today, my people. We will even talk on video. I greet her, happy with her. But that will not stop me not to do my own back. Never. Even my mama wake up from grave. Now the same mama, the same papa will be, right? Since you get mind to do me, when I knew born my first pikin for Germany, congratulations, you don't wish me. You begin the late course of pikin when you not born. He call this your own way, not even get papa, make me not talk. Una lie. So where the big person put me, I go see am. So this matter started 2016 when I gave birth to my first daughter. If I like for her head, thank God she don't born. Make she use her own pikin. That boy when they call king, make her use and swear. If I like, I want proposing life for her head, make she own life to call swear. Say when I give birth, she didn't wish me congratulations. For my first daughter in Germany, my first pikin for Germany, she did not wish me congratulations, not pay me. She started insulting me the day I told her I was still in hospital. Till I reach house, this girl started to insult my enemy with record and everything. So I now do a video to her today. She called me and she said, why we not talk her for his house? Why me not tell her? Me call her today. Why me not tell her? Why me bring her across social media? Why me send the message to her? My dear, when you carry me out, send me out to people, you not tell me. When you bring me out, you humiliate me. So when I born my last pikin, 2019, that one they come, I go bring proof and evidence, pictures. When those people be want by me, when I get belly heavily, I want born. They bring me out. That one another issue, another day. That one another topic for another day. You know, not say if I they talk, I they bring proof and evidence. Now they say, why me not tell her for his house? No, my love. No, I not fit tell you for his house. Because when you do it to me, when I born my first daughter, I keep mute. Nobody hear her. But you say continue. Even last year January, you start to insult me. Even this year January, when you don't get belle, you be just start to insult me. So not be only me one good to they bear your insults, to they sit down. I miss now me senior you, but I don't know whether will be the same papa, the same mama. Now me senior you. You have the guts and the mind to do me when I know how you die. Not you carry me come abroad. When I day road, I don't see any help. You can't see chance. They humiliate me like say. Now you carry me come. I can't come abroad. Can't carry belle. I not gonna pay you. This girl humiliated me when I newly gave birth. So before you start to blame me, if they go do you and if I lie for this thing when I they talk, make she use that his son when you born so. Make she come use and swear. If I lie for her head, say when I born my first pikin for Germany, she no cause my pikin enemy, not be my pikin. If you not cause her head because I say I born. But I now she don't go see record of video say me cause her. But I just want let people know what she do. And now she they talk say why me not call her? He don't forgive. He don't say me wicked. I know wicked my love. And you say they pay me, that means they pay me say you boss. No. God the ever bear my wickedness. I saw the shine so. I'm the happiest person because you they do that and say you never born. Nothing of you do. You don't born. And I make me send the message direct to you. Thank God you are now welcome to motherhood. You are now welcome to motherhood. You don't carry the belly for 9 months. Everybody see her. You carry and you born her. So then when you they do me, so then when you start to do me, people call they join you, they beat me, right? At the end when you come out from my body, you can't enter different people, children body. Now so it be. Now my body you take starter. You started from my body. Immediately I gave birth to my first child in Germany. Now you take start to the insult Peking. Now you take start to the insult Peking. Now you take start to the insult Peking. So now me get right to see Juju back. Vera, I beg forgive your sister. Mommy, those I beg. We not the quarrel. No, we not the quarrel because she the first in our Zunga. Me when I go the saga people, I know they fear. I know they get shaking, not be she. So me, I want to do her back. That anyway on any way. And at the call with proof and evidence. Please share this video. Give me love and like, guys. Share this video out. I'm not quarreling. I'm not angry. But I just want to let her know what she did to me. Now maybe I'm not let her come up for hospital. Now make me send the message to her. I say no, say see the hospital. I want to send one give her. Make she know what did she do me when I no gave birth to my first pikin. So nobody will come tell me say why you do like that. No. I dey talk for this social media. If you do me, I'll do you back. Me, I not get forgive you. So don't be offended. You be outside down. You be anybody. When you first do me, ready say I go do you back. Talkers of she when she don't start to humiliate me since 2016. I gave birth to my daughter. Till 2023, even 2024 January, she start to insult me. Wait till I do her. Now me good to forgive her. No. Me na person will be say when you do me, I will do one. So me not go let her come up for hospital. Me start to receive what she do me. So now that the problem me I have for starts. That was 2015 when I gave it. If she say na lie, what did they tell Vera? You lie. Make she use that baby king test swear. The hospital and a newborn, right? Newborn baby na spirit. Make she use that picky head test swear. Say if he insult me and my newborn baby for hospital, may return the cost for me. Wait till I do because I thought say I get belly. Because I thought say I don't born. Finish. I'm not going to say I do more. That I never did Facebook. Oh, talking I say I can't bring her on Facebook. I just want humiliated her. I can't bring her on Facebook. You know though that I never did Facebook. I never did Facebook. I never get any issue with her. Now make I know how they take it. I saw if you come up for Italy, call Germany. Because they say when you know how your house be, you go know how to take pull left for granted. Then they carry themselves come me. Now let God know how to take it. So now make when I date Italy, I saw if you find my way, call Germany. Cause of day here, so they even want me to deport my enemy there. They even want me to humiliate me, they make sure say my enemy not go even become anything for this country. But God in heaven, when you see me, say I don't get evil mind against anybody. But I believe on one thing: when you do me, I must do you back. So anybody will like go cry, make it cry blood. And I don't tell them the reason why. Say that too is some people shouldn't. That is true. Okay. Now me she take start 2016 when I gave birth to my first child in Germany. 2016. Share this video. Nobody should tell me say Vera you weak or Google buy you. Because if they do it to you, if you go fit take them. I've been taking their nonsense, her nonsense, since 2016. Immediately I get pregnant of my first child. I don't tell you now this one, no. I keep all those, even when I born, 2019, when they carry me, send me give outsider, give Monica. I was heavily pregnant. I almost died. Now God saved me. I'll go tell that story another day. I get many things to the break on one after the other. And I go bring pictures when my enemy don't take by with Bele. Because of this girl. Not be she bring my children picture I pay me. These people be don't buy me with pregnancy. With be me, my me and Piki be don't buy. Life and direct. 2019. When I hear that from my mouth, I'm not talking. Because I promised myself, say, either she go get pregnant or she go marry to another man. I keep her. I not try. I try. This word when I talk today, when I say when I knew born my first pikin, she call humiliate me. Una don't hear that from my mouth. No. I keep her. I keep her. Una don't hear say I talk her. Because a dog will now move her. I carry and wait for her. So when me hear, when she announced the news, oh, I dance at Jim Mary that God here will see my mind. I'm happy. Because now, me say go see where to do you back. May you see first waiting you do me. Now me don't go through over my own, but I only promise that I must do you back. Yes, revenge is a normal. You can revenge. It's normal thing. Share this video. Give me love and like my people. Revenge is a normal. So before you go come my comment section, call they cry, say, Vera, you wicked. Shall I don't tell you the reason why they do my own? Shall I don't tell you the reason why? Me, I not let her come up for hospital. When me send to them message, go give her. And she can't get mad, they call. Why me not tell her? Me call her today. Yes, I call you today. Just for the last call, I just call you today to greet you. Work well done. Now me, I want to start my own. Geno. Because when some people they do something, she even talk and say me no go see do her back. You know even born. You know even get pick it. Now glory be to God. You don't born. So una last people when God they cry, he do my picking like this. He not gonna do my picking like this. Now my body first started for many years. It started from my body many years ago. Till 2019 they bring me out. She bring me out 2019. 2020 she bring me out. She be still go meet Monica. Monica tell her, say no, because she tell that one, say, make that one bring me down. She tell that one, make that one bring me down. When that one cause, she say, I don't get what I do. Now that one cause, no go come out the second time and talk my matter again. Now they see carry me, we me. Now that one people call, they say, una do something 19. 2020, una see bring her come. Wait till call the apple. Not knowing that, they were just looking for a way to bring me down. Or to even see my enemy back. Wait till you go pray for this, as if you pay anybody do you something. Pray, make that person not by. Pray, make God make you there alive to tell the story. So glory be to God. I give thanks to God to me to come sit here today. Come tell the story when Sarah come my sister do when I knew born my pikin. Share this video, my people. Many of you they talk say some people go my comment section and beg and not call you there. When I go my comment section say, you want to do and make people take see light. Cause that one not concern me. Now you know, you not concern me. Now my one they talk here. She started my own 2016. Me, I try. So, I not bring any light for anybody. So, who like it talk, who not like it talk. You not concern me. And I'm not using anybody. Make anybody like, But me, I want to let the world know. Wait till she do. I beg, if you good, mommy, Pat, good afternoon, mommy. If you good, wait till she do me 2016 when I new born. Congratulations. Sister, not tell me. The next thing I swear for my enemy, swear for picking enemy. If they go do it to you, it go better for you when you go say why I don't. But they not go do it to you. Oh, but me I kuku no wa me no kuku no wa na because I make buy ya wa na. Woga TPA. So now, no matter what get disturb me, no matter what get come why go me na, he me ready. Yes, I'm happy now that she gave birth. So, my dear darling, nothing they pay me. Me they happy now so you don't join motherhood. If you get brain video when I do not say I talk. I say I'm happy that you're not more. You don't join the motherhood. Share when you get belly, you even say if you go feel, if person go even feel carry the pikin. You don't know how pregnancy feel. You don't know the meaning of pregnancy. You don't know, say you carry your pikin today, now you carry her, you they smile, they look at. Now so we self take born our own. There's no other way. Me, now so I take carry my off belly. I not put her for nyash, I not put her for back, I not put her for neck. All mothers when you self humiliate their pikin, no one put their own for shoulder. Now the same belly when you face, when you call ugly, your nose call be like hippopotamus. You call the laugh me say me get belly, go bring my old picture when I say for you when I did Nigeria. Say as I be when I get belly. You ain't there, bro. When you call get belly now, look at how you look. Say as to be she you don't see waiting me the face, waiting all mothers the face. So I'm very, very happy that you give birth. I'm very, very happy that you don't pop pikin. Now you show your pikin for social media. If they don't carry your pikin picture, they mama your pikin. No, I know I must pay you. If you don't see pay you, no problem. You call they laugh me that time. You said they not pay my bride price. Me not the shame. Me not the bobo anyhow. But God so kind. Now make me when you do me so to must for body. Shut this video, give me love I like. Me when I don't first see boy at all. I can't see man when I can't see deal with. You not run leave me when I get belly. I born first to the third pikin when I bought for my mom, my sweetheart. When I said, why me the present? Why me the present? What did he do for me? Trust him, man. I don't get belly, it's deny me. I don't get belly, come run, what. They say, run, leave me. Una call the door. Una don't try, no work. Una call the try, make it leave me. Wanna sit and love me. Anybody when they find way one last person. When you go happen, you go worse. Now make you baroque because show me that your baby father, because maybe people not laugh, you lie. For you as you gallant, as you talk, say you gallant for this social media rich. You ain't never felt born. You can't born your first child on planet Earth. No, Papa no sit down. Papa no carry you. You and I go come outside. If belly they hurt you, you will tell and say, I better draw me get up. I bet you not feel lovely mother. Like pregnancy woman, when you go feel in love, you not feel them. Yes, when woman get belly, if you not feel get her, oh, honey, I beg, make they hungry me. This one they hungry me. That one they hungry me. I see your markets. Now you make this life. I don't when normal like more for a girl. When you never pass life finish, not la person no. Because when you la person, you all go worst oh. Mommy Kinga markets. You come buy if you make your bosses there. You can't get belly, not good maths. My love, you say they pay me. My love, you know they pay me. The only humiliation, I only just sit down with the saga you when you got the disgrace yourself. I don't do like this, cross my leg, they drink wine. Because the wish you wish me that I know the shame. You not go ever bought for man, no, we not go do the necessity. My love, which one they can't do for your head? Which one they can't do for your head? Me now come better pass you. I bought. Man, not see long leave me. Your own first became a planet Earth. Man, you go even go the shout for street. You don't ever see me carry video the pursue my man, they go for street. Wait till you do me, I go give you back. Me, I not get forgive you hearts. He not pay me. He all the shame at this gate when he meet you, you get let you go see born. If I born, my man they say they come hospital, they go cook for me. I say, I bet, do part the yam, you go cook. Because hospital food me not the like everywhere a man me. He go cook, come, he go make brew. I beg, I need this one. He go they come, he go buy a call. Which one you get? What a shame and a disgrace. So God purposely punish you. May you know say this life there is part 2. Get no on. Because when you they mock me, it be like say I borrow something for her. In fact, now you carry me come abroad. It be like say now you can share this video regarding la bar. It be like say now you carry me come abroad. But today now you even get belly. No man even stand. You born now. Which man come hospital? So because they expect me say me go buy ticket. You call they call me because you want born. Okay, because they say me go buy ticket, they come. Me you call poison me on my so say you want buy my pikin or buy me. Me go come. Hey yeah. Just they play. Me, you do me, I must do you back. So now, you born, when I go born, man go carry pikin. Which man carry your pikin for hospital? When I born my 2 guys, when I born my first daughter, my man dead there, my sweetheart dead there. When I born my second daughter, he dead there, now he called the placenta off your fiance, now he caught time, he was there. He carry his daughter, so they say no, he say not the go out. He stand, you know when I check born, as he make booty come out. Now they say, yeah, call me. Come cut your pikin placenta, now he cut her. When I see born my third pikin, I see yes I born, he run come, bah, come carry pikin. Oh, I see the idea. Where you own na. Now make una way the mock person. One I go come on my go do pra 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 pra. Pra pra pra. When you never know where will become you tomorrow. Nah, my own not better pass you. I know the shame at the bomb floor. Which one you take born and they pay money for your head? Even the man even great and say na pikin. Live video that they say you must go do the DNA test. How you tell no say na you? I want you to feel what I feel, my love. Me, I not the near any of you now. Kaka, I hear make be Nigeria no. Me, what you not do me? I can never lose God for anybody. Because what you not do not succeed. If you not say anything to buy, mo na go do. Mo na say make I say my say get no. Yes, so I beg. If you better pass my mo na talk amo. I go na that year for social media say my man. I got the cry for streets. You think my perfume. You not see shame. You say man call your artist your perfume. You call Putoto. You bow. They told those women the lost guy. I leave you make you born. I they come analyze your shame and disgrace. Because when me get my first pikin for Germany, you humiliated me with insults all the way from hospital. If I lie, use your baby head this way. I bet when I share this video, make the same. No. Now you born pikin now. Papa belama me not there. Market. Sarah one limited. To an extent, man use you and dump you. Okay, we never felt born before. You don't even see one love of a father, one love of you go come touch your belly, you go even kiss her. A old boy for that matter. Ya big boy. Go buy yourself, ya big boy. Make we know. Upon your ranking, and propaganda, your rubbish, causing people when not near you. Now go better. And how much, when I share this with another see love and like. I bet like this video if I lie. I will not date the social media. Upon the laugh when you laugh people. Me to say, if you even marry now, small this the video marriage go take passing you. I never see camp man for us. And you got the feed man. You're the feeder. So they go come to father me for grant. He can't burn my nyash. He not come burn. Oh, not do you know when you know where. That time, I also feel you keep my leg cross. Just they listen to your shame and disgrace. Now I say, whoa, she ne kena mezo kushina pata I. She don't get belly. So man not there. I know that I've been on my eye. I call the use of the clean my eye. I've been on my eye, they deceive me. What a shame and incompetency. Look at the people when you humiliate for this social media. All of them get husband with the bone. All of them get my share this video. Give me love. Most of it in Namara. All of them get man. No matter what, their papa see that become market. How market? Man, I'm not right. Please forgive me. See, man, let me see. I want to do this video. Jejejeo. One women forgive what you done about Bola. Why? They go to now. They go to now. No wait, I don't face. They go to now. I prayed and I laid down and said, God, do this for me. Either she got married to a Nigerian man, or now make him marry, hide the husband picture. Because see that Oyibo. I for Marshall black and blue. I go what's the punishment. Lovette and a former friend that they call Kate. They go humiliate Oyibo seke. Wait till I say God do for me, will never do for me. Now because of me, he hides that Oyibo. Because when you don't do person, you go the fear, go the hide. My people, I promise myself say 2 things. Either she marry or she go born. Now born me pray pass born make it carry pikin. Because now pikin it take cost her head and humiliate her head up and I share this video. Give me love and like. Share this video. I'm not enjoy this gist. Are you guys not enjoying it? Don't do to others what others will do to you. Don't do to somebody what somebody know. Did I maybe not let you come up for hospital? you remember what you do 2016. Immediately I tell you I've gave birth. Immediately I tell you say I get belly. And immediately I tell you say I gave birth. Wait till you do me. So now I don't want me to come up first, so that means you know what you do me then. So please, nobody should come and say Vera. You never finish. This is just the tip of how they did the speed the English. This is just the beginning of when you pull up for grant. When you want to party, ladies and gentlemen, about the day they talk. This is just the beginning. So I want you to analyze the video when I post today. When did me send that message and she can't record the coming for inside? Say why me not tell her for inside? Me call her today. So maybe if I tell you, say I want send message to you. When you start to insult me when I tell you say I get belly, you look back. When you start to bully me, when I born, tell my sister, so this one of my lovely sister, I get birth. Did you even wish me congratulations? Did you even wish me congratulations my sister, but why you come born and not good? You wish me? So you encourage you make a cut permission, you lie. You lie. Here want me drilly where a drilly get drilly. Here want me drilly where wella. Vera, please forgive her. I understand that. He said, no. I bet when I can't forgive. See, man, let me block you now. Why go me block you? Why? Because they say me not leave. I will go tell you after I get birth to my last born what happened to me, and I'm going to come with proof and evidence with picture. After she do that one, when she for humiliated me when I new born, you know rich. She still come again, come post picture when I sent for her when he did Nigeria, including my children when he did Nigeria. She post and said those kids are looking for their mother. No, don't know what she don't do. Now me good, now me born Jesus Christ. You hear say now me be Jesus Christ, mama. All those simulation, you not marry, Sarah Okbo. Then when you marry now, you see why when God they punish some people, not pity them. When you see some people something they happen to them, not pity them. Sometimes I want they use the heart take cause. You know here for this life say you can't eat your cake and have it. Cool. You eat your cake, you have it. You lie. Not be person like me. When you do me something ready, I must give you back. I go still wish for the actual time. Now I can't give you. Maybe you say no, say yo. It depend, no? Yes! You didn't look back. How markets? I will marry to this. Man must pay my bride. After I born finish the humiliation when she give herself. When I tell her say I get belly, she say you not the shame. She say you felt born, they not marry you. You can't see get belly again. No marriage. You your born poor. Me, I not go ever try am. Before me go say me one open for a man. That was 2016. First time. That is my first daughter. If Allah make all you picky here this way. He say not go ever but share this video. Give me love and like. Now they pull love for this video. Mona pull love and like, please. He say not go ever but man must do the necessity for her heads. Me, una you the both free of charge. Yeah, people. Yeah, human being. Whether them way, you know the shame. Ogbo, you don't get belly now. Are you people the same father and mother? Yes, so my mommy Ija. Now so I be too cold and let her call the know whether not be the same and papa bonus. Now make you see Mrs. there. He make it lenia. He don't do finish my people. She don't they do. Make her cost pay. Make her me. You forget what they quarrel. You say if you see where I give my pikin waiting go buy them, you go give them. If you will see me, you go even buy me. Me will go carry myself, carry my children when you humiliate. Every day you go they do video, go they cost my children enemy when they Germany here. Then me go carry they go greet you. I decrease. I don't feel colo. I don't need to na friendship. I don't need to na relative. I don't need to na anything. No. Because when you na do me, especially you, I want my why now. You know they say they pay not pay me oh. No, my me don't go through over it, but me want to let you know say when you do me, I go do you back. Yes, so revenge is allowed. Doing back is allowed. Now you don't bomb pikin now. You don't give him bomb king. Bomb king give war good about. Why you here, mommy Kigi? Mommy Kigi, where? Yes, of course. Now, congratulations, no, Ija. That's to show sense when I get passer. You see my own now. I want pepper and see tell her congratulations. I see post the picture, but I thought delete her. That's to show I get sense passer. But my own, she not tell me congratulations. So I felt do that one for God. So that if I want masha, God said no go verse put. So I want tell her say when me tell senior and sense when I get. Yes, I wish her congratulations. I post a video, but I don't delete her. Because I don't know. Me, I want to do her back. But I want you to do say, me, I feel wish I could. I don't want you to say, because I wish you congratulations. No, I wish you. When you call me, so you don't, I say, tell congratulations. Yes. But that doesn't stop me not to do what I want to do. So now, for those of you now, when you go call the cry, you for not do like that. Ike buyara pungui ogbome. They'll do you. So what are the choices? Your ear deaf. If you know say Alameka, oh mama they have in the hospital. He never the chance. As he bought that pikin for that hospital, may use and swear if I lie against her. Whether when I bought my first pikin for Germany, whether not be something lay on newborn baby and me till I reach us with more than 50 voice notes. And because that phone does spoil, I forgot they play the voice note when you might be. Person sister they talk for maths. Like I said, that make cause and frustration. She said that phone not spoil. Mona call listen to voice notes. Because after she called the